Welcome to our updated guide on how to view accounts who followed you on Facebook. Let's walk through the steps to easily see who's following your profile. To begin, open the Facebook app on your Android device to access your account settings and activity log. Tap your profile picture, located at the top of the newsfeed. This will take you to your profile page, where you can manage your account details. Next, tap the three dots button underneath your name on the profile page. This will open a menu with various options. Select Activity Log from the menu. This will display a chronological list of your activities on Facebook. Tap on Connections and then select Followers from the list of options. This will show you the users who are following your Facebook profile. Lastly, choose People who followed you to view a list of accounts that have followed your profile. This way, you can see who's interested in your updates and content on Facebook. By following these steps, you can easily track and view the accounts that have followed you on Facebook, giving you insights into your followers and helping you stay connected with your audience. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to enhance your Facebook experience and make the most out of your interactions on the platform. Happy connecting!